Okay, next project, the peel and stick backsplash for the kitchen. We have this white hexagonal with a silver grout. I wanted white grout originally, but I waited so long for it to come back in stock on Wayfair, and every time it would come back in stock, it would say, delayed 1 more month. So maybe they were selling out instantly, or maybe they actually were running out. Either way, this is a PVC, I believe, 3D, so it actually feels like real tile, but stick and peel fake tile. I originally was going to go with real tile, but then I thought, one, those are real joints with real hardened grout that has a chance to crack while I'm driving around, but then also that adds like 40 pounds to the van. This, all the peel and stick I'll need, this is maybe 3 pounds or so. But we're gonna try to take this, fit it in this open kitchen area here, and make all these awkward cuts to fit around the light switch and to fit into the corner and to fit around the window box, and hopefully it's as easy as it seems, and hopefully I can just cut it with some scissors and make this work. Let's get started. Okay, it is by no means perfect, but I'm actually pretty happy with how it's gone on. It's pretty simple. Start wherever you want to start and then just overlap the gray or the silver grout lines one with each other. So they should cancel each other out. One should overlap with the other and look seamless. And then you can just cut it with scissors, honestly. It's very easy. And then it's pretty sticky. I'm putting it onto plywood and it sticks to the plywood, but it actually sticks more to itself. So while I was working here, it would get stuck on other pieces if I wasn't too careful, because it really sticks to itself really strongly. But it sticks pretty well to the plywood. This is by no means the finished product. So next step is going to be taking this coastal ivory wood that I've been using throughout the whole van and building a window box. So building an actual little box right here. So that will cover up those rough edges, and then to build a little side thing right here, and then to put something in the corner, put something along the edge, and then up top hopefully will go a metal shelf. So that will cover all of the rough edges here, and it will cover the wires, cover the holes up top. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to take my wood and I'm going to go over to the shop and start making cuts and get some glue and some white nails, maybe the nail gun, and see if I can't build that window box as well as all of the little pieces that need to come in to fill this. But when the pieces of wood are there covering all of the imperfections, I think it's going to look pretty good. First step is going to be lots of measurements, lots of thinking. I think I'm going to start with the window box, since that might overlap with some of the other pieces and I want that to take priority, and then the other pieces can fit around it. So thinking it all through, lots of measurements, and then I'll take my boards inside and start making some cuts and see if I can make all the cuts, and then maybe go get the pin nailer and nail them all on. But as always, no idea what I'm gonna do. You guys get to just watch. So my hope is to be able to build 2 metal shelves in the van, one right here to do shoes. So I have a little basket right now with my shoes in it, but I want to do a metal desk here for shoes and books, and then another metal shelf here for everything that's going to go in my kitchen. So for my dry goods, for my paper towel, for all those different things. It's a little difficult because it's an awkward space. I don't know how to weld, so I'm going to have to find a shop to do that. But right now I'm on the road, so hopefully in the future we get a metal shelf that will cover up the odd bits up top and also that clump of wires back there. Until then, this is the Backsplash, and I've trimmed a little bit with wood, which I still need to paint, but I think it's pretty beautiful for being done all by myself in a van and with fake tile. That's just my opinion though.